Today, we're going to be tackling the Sentra Driveshaft. So you can see everything on here. We're doing this Driveshaft, but we're using a bracket, but you can see here, I really don't want to weld into this, but the good thing about this one here is they have a couple bolt holes here already. There's two here, there's one here, there's another one here. I thought it was going to land like the viscous here somewhere, but actually it's right here, which is perfect, because the way that we're going to do this, the way that we're going to mount this is we're going to use these two holes. So we're going to make a bracket. This is not it, but we're going to make a bracket like this. All right, where that thing bolts up here like this, but this is going to come all the way down, kind of like that comes down to here like this.
Kind of hold it.
Exactly.
Like a little L or something.
Well, it's kind of like the whole bracket. So this is going to be bolted up. Like if this is higher, it's going to be bolted up. But we're going to make a bracket that comes all the way in here. We're going to weld this. We're going to weld that, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. So when we need to take it off, we just take this off here, and the whole thing will come off.
Okay, nice.
So
got the blueprints and
that's what he's doing right there. Yeah.
Nice. 60K, right?
No, this is a 30K.
30K.
So the deal with the 30K on this one here is, this is, since it's our test vehicle and all that, we're gonna do some testing on
all
the
motor,
all motor,
all motor first, right? Okay.
So we're gonna see what works good with the all motor. You know, we might not need the whole 60K to get this
going. So we're gonna do the all motor first, and then when we get our numbers, then we're gonna drop the boost, the built motor in for the boost.
Yeah, then we'll do the 60K
We'll
with
do
the boost.
60K.
Actually, no, we're gonna do the 60K. We're gonna see what it does with the 30K.
Then do up 60K.
And then do a 60K and see what the difference is. Yeah, if it's even worth doing the 60K on the all motor. Yeah.
Okay.
60Ks on the DA all day.
Oh yeah.
That hit different, I'm telling you.
The whole car's gonna fall apart.
Okay, so that's it.
Check it out. Check it out. Driveshaft going up on the Nissan Sentra. K-Swap. That's another look over here, guys. Look at that. Nice, nice. Look at the diff mount. Custom. CRV diff for now, but we're definitely gonna go to wagon when we boost this motor.
So you can see him. He's drawing it up right now. We're going to be cutting it and see how it fits.
Nice. Done. That's how you do it.
All right, hold that for me real quick, man.
I'll hold it.
Yeah, right.
So he did exactly what we drew out, but we didn't. This is not center, so. Go across like this. We're gonna take this bolt off.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, we're just gonna go across like this. We're gonna go across like that, right?
Gotcha.
We're gonna cut it because it's like the way that it has a little small spot right here.
I can even put this lower.
Yeah, put that lower and then go here, and then this part on the right side, you're gonna add about 800 thousandths. Take 800 thousandths here and put it on here. See it?
Just add it over.
Yep, add it over, which will make it.
And take it off, Tom?
What's that?
Take this off?
Yeah, you're gonna take this off and add this on this side. Because this side is shorter than this side. See? 800 thousandths, take 800 thousandths off here. 0.8. Yeah, 0.8 and add 1 inch onto here.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Gotta go back to the drawing board.
Here we go again. Part 2. Part 2.
Take it.
Take 2. Got that new design.
See where we're at with this. Yep, round 2.
Okay, cool. Hey, you forgot to bring the S1 belt down and cut off the. I forgot to cut off the curve at the top.
That looks good. Yeah,
That's it.
It's right on there. That's it.
But it looks good though. It can work.
That's fine.
That's
That's
fine.
the same.
Next side, check it out.
Oh,
Next
that's
side,
not
next
reverse.
Opposite.
side. Opposite, yeah.
So let's take. Well, let's get the other one. Where's the other one? Will it work?
Oh, that's
No.
perfect, dude.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's perfect, but it's
Oh, here we go, part 3.
part 3 again.
All right, we're gonna cut the top off, bring the S1 bit down.
You can see he flipped it, so this way here, the other side gets flipped.
Too, yeah. Here we go, number 3. Let's go.
You got both?
Right.
Just check this side. Alright, let's see.
S1 logo's wrong. It's backwards.
It's backward.
Let's do that one. Oh, that's the other side. That one's to that side, yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
It's wrong. It's right, but it's wrong.
The S1 is not. The S1 should have been.
So here,
flipped
use
around.
this one.
You only gotta do one.
Hold that.
Damn, bro.
No, don't do it anymore.
I'm not making it.
Yeah. Okay, that one's
That
right.
one's right.
Yep, that one's right.
So flip that one.
The S1's not gonna look.
See?
Cut the camera back. Just cut the camera.
No, it's right. Yeah, just clean it up. That,
Yeah,
that
that's
looks
right.
good. Yeah, you're good, dude.
Rolling, bro.
Keep rolling. God, look at him.
He says keep
Boys,
rolling.
almost had to call senior. Senior. Yeah, no. Let me find a phone. As you can see, there it is.
Bolt.
Let's see. Oh, come on. 2 bolts. There it goes.
What the?
There you go.
Nice. And then you're gonna bolt that up to there.
Let me center this.
You're 12s, right?
Yeah, take a special. What?
Now we're gonna tack it up.
Yep. Alright, okay. No, up. Okay, it's not taking it up now. Is that straight? Does that look straight? Oh yeah, that looks good.
This needs to be moved here.
What's that?
It's not level in between there.
Well, it doesn't matter because it's this. That's why we gave it a slot.
Now hold on. Do we need a cut?
We will. What I'm gonna cut. I wanna. Don't worry about that right now. We're gonna do that one. Let me weld it and then we'll cut it. Thing off here.
Taking it off.
We got Devin right here. Devin from ADR. ADR, turn around. Turn around.
Oh, it's the other way. Sorry.
Hey, ADR.
Right there.
We're gonna send you an invoice for as much time he spends over here.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're costing the money. Time and money.
All done up. Master Jit, Jedi Jit, give him a follow. Jedi Jit. Oh yeah, ready to load up. Everything's already cut. Looking nice.
Look at that. Okay. You got a finger of steel. Just leave it loose a little bit. Yeah. Look at that. Alright, this one here, last one. Everything fits perfect. Look at that.
Check it out.
Look at this. The angle
Nice.
too. Perfect. Dan, good job, Omar.
Everything's straight.
Good
everything's
job.
straight.
I won't call senior this time.
That's all I want to hear is good job.
That's all you want to hear is good job.
That's it, guys. That's it right there. That's how you make a custom Caribbean holder in the center right there for that S1
Man, that thing
drive shaft.
worked out really good.
I know. Worked out very good. See you guys. Like, subscribe for all the V12 K-Swap.
That's right. And Lewis, you did a good job on this kid.
Yeah,
What was it?
Omar.
Omar.
Yeah. He's alright, Louis.
Get him there. We'll get him there.
So, alright, check it out. More content coming at you.